Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk backstrap with huckleberry port reduction. This recipe takes 45 minutes to prep and 25 minutes to cook. Serves 6 to 8 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 4 pounds elk backstrap, 2 tablespoons grapeseed oil, 3 tablespoons European butter, 4 sprigs fresh thyme, coarse kosher salt and black pepper, 2 cups fresh huckleberries, 1 cup 20-year preferred tawny port, shallots, 2 tablespoons aged balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons cold butter, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Preparation. Remove elk from refrigerator 45 minutes before cooking. Season with salt 30 minutes ahead. Add pepper just before searing. Reduction. Sauté shallots until translucent. Add port, reduced by 2/3. Add 1.5 cups huckleberries. Simmer 8-10 minutes until berries burst. Strain, pressing solids. Return liquid to pan with balsamic vinegar. Step 3. Searing. Heat cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Add oil when shimmering. Sear elk backstrap 4 to 5 minutes per side until deep golden crust forms. Step 4. Oven finish. Transfer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 6 to 8 minutes until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Step 5. Butter basting. Return to stovetop, add butter and thyme, tilt pan and continuously baste 2 minutes. Step 6. Resting. Transfer to cutting board, tent with foil, rest 8 to 10 minutes. Step 7. Sauce completion. Reheat reduction, mount with cold butter cubes, whisking constantly. Add fresh thyme and pan juices. And that's how you make elk backstrap with huckleberry port reduction. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.